But there must be an inversion because it's 21 degrees. And there. I mean, we're still.
Send flight level 1 to 0.
Okay, level 1 to 0 set.
Check. We better be sterile because they already started using non-standard send 1 to 0.
But you know, I'll reduce early because I think they'll just do this.
Yeah.
Everybody's seated and inside the cabin is secure, but I'm gonna have another 5 minutes to finish my stuff.
Turn left, heading 0 to 5 degrees, and say again, descent clearance. So we maintain flight level 1 and 0.
So 1 0, yeah.
Yep. Descend and maintain flight level 1.
It's established on the localizer.
So basically,
Established on the
was
TV.
not exactly.
Okay, so I'll do it in
Try on.
magenta. Yeah. I'll do it in magenta initially because we're still far away. The input net is captured.
And having seen.
I'll actually go on heading because he wants 0 to 5. It's kept at flight level 100, and then on the GP we have to set QNH.
To 10 knots, we can slow down 180 if you wish. Copy that. Slowing down 180 knots.
Okay, so speed 180 is set. Nav to escape. Sorry, armed speed to left 20.
Set minding flight level 100.
Exactly,
Although we are below-
and then intercepted light slope.
Yeah. Because 100 is below transitional. Transition level.
Because it's at descent float level 100, QNH 1019. So that doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, exactly. So
By the way, just wait until the
I just set QNH on my side.
Yeah. If it should be that bumpy on the final approach, we just add those additional 5 knots if we're happy.
I guess you can already approach it these distance.
Just wait until the localizer comes in, otherwise he's doing the snakes. Watching the glide slope as well.
Yeah, and otherwise, because we are on QNH, we are already on the wide.
Yeah. Okay, runway inside. Approach log 2 is captured, glide slope is armed.
Checked.
Glide slope captured. Just approach altitude 9,000 feet is set. Set QNH 1019. Passing 10,000, 100 feet. Now,
QNH set and
approach checklist.
I'll give this QNH in future.
019 is then crash checked.
DP on the ground approach aids set and identified. Passenger sign on water line is not required. Approach checklist complete.
Yep. So first trip is still 3/4. I don't want to spoil it, but I think it might be quite laminar from now on. Hopefully.
Fully established. Tower is fully established 8 miles.
Radio altimeter.
Continue approach 06. I checked.
Checked.
May slow down. There's one guy.
Okay, chase off. Speed 160 is set. Speed 184, gear down, flap 30.
Gear down and indicating.
Speed 137. Okay, I'll increase by 10 knots. Speed 165, flaps 45, before landing checklist.
Before landing checklist, cabin secure.
Secure.
Wing and column is off. Landing gear.
Not indicating.
In this case, system tested. Continue approach 3 miles. Thrust reverses.
1,000.
Flaps
45.
45. Clearance to go.
So remember, I'm already 5 knots ahead. Okay.
It's 2 miles. Continue approach.
Pilot off.
Checked. Continue. Clear to land 06. Okay, before landing checklist complete, approach your minimums. Checked. Minimums.
Minimums. 100. 50. 30. 20. 10.
Spoilers up. 2 reverses.
Your controls?
60. My controls.
Taking out my tablet.